It's raining season here in SoCal. A perfect dish for me to make on rainy days are a dish that is delicious and comforting. So today I'll be teaching you guys how to make Thai green curry. Here's all the ingredients you're gonna need. You can find this at the Asian supermarket. You're gonna need some coconut milk. I'm using 2 cans. 2 cans of green curry paste. Some bamboo shoot. Your choice of veggies. For a pop of color, I'm using 3 colors of bell peppers. If available, you can use Asian eggplants, Kaffir lime leaves, and the star of the show, Thai basil. Oh, it smells so good, guys. I love the smell of Thai basil. And 2 pounds of your choice of protein. Today I'm using minced bite-sized chicken thighs. You're just gonna cut this to your desired size, okay? We're just gonna remove the seeds. I'm just gonna cut them into strips like this. So now I have my bell peppers here. We're gonna set it aside for later use. Cut your chicken thighs to bite-sized pieces and remove any extra excess fat. All right, first we're gonna open our coconut milk. Pour the first can in there first. Let this cook for a couple minutes. We want the oil to separate from the coconut milk. We're gonna let this reduce for a couple minutes. Next, add in your green curry paste. Mix and combine well. Next, I'm gonna crush 3 pieces of the Kaffir lime leaves in here. Next, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Next, I'm adding minced chicken thighs into the wok or pan. I'm gonna let this cook 5 to 6 minutes. Next, add your remaining can of coconut milk. Give that a mix, combine well. Next, add in bamboo shoots. Give this a stir, combine well. Next, I'm gonna add 1½ cup of water, followed by 3 tablespoons of palm sugar. If you don't have palm sugar, you can use brown sugar. Mix and combine well. I'm gonna crush 4 more pieces of Kaffir lime leaves. Just a mix. Next, add chicken bouillon and some fish sauce. Next, add your desired amount of veggies. Today, I'm using bell peppers. This is stir, combine well. Let this cook for a minute or 2. And lastly, for the star of the show, make it rain with some Thai basil. Give this a stir, combine well, and easy as that, guys, we're done. You can feed your whole family with this. Save so much money by making it at home. Let it rest, plate it, and serve it with jasmine rice. So good, guys. Just gonna put the bamboo on mine with some bell pepper and a piece of chicken, a little bit of everything. I'll put a lot of basil on mine. I like to put chili powder on mine. Oh, this is like a childhood classic. Brings back childhood vibes. I love this. In Lao, we call this gang pit kai. So good, guys. The bamboo. So rich, so creamy, savory. The bamboo on rice is so good, guys. Chili powder. Tag a friend you guys want to try my recipe with. This came together less than 30 minutes. So good, guys.